Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing well. Today I've decided to come to a location a little above Umeda. It's called Osaka Station. I actually didn't know where I was going to go until the last minute. This is what usually happens. I usually get out of the house really late and then I decide very last minute, and then I kind of just decided last minute on the train. We were going to go somewhere else. My girlfriend is with me right now. But I decided just to come here because it is late and I just wanted to make a quick video and go back home. The reason why I came here is I originally was introduced to this place by my friend who makes clothes. He's been on some of the vlogs before, and he finds the materials around, I don't know where, but around here. I know it's around the station, but there's a store that sells fabric, and he took me there once and I noticed that it was really cool around this area, so I decided to just come back by myself with my girlfriend. But I found this building right out of the train station, and so like I saw everyone coming through here, and then there was a bookstore, so I decided, my girlfriend's already in there, so this is the entrance where the train station is, and then we decided to check this bookstore out. But it's such a weird building. It smells really old in here. It reminds me of like my old dentist's when I was a little kid, and then they have like a little Tully's coffee down here, and people are drinking coffee and studying or working. But it's a really interesting place. There's a really old feel to it. I'm gonna go check out this bookstore real quick. It is really hot today. Today is about 31 degrees Celsius, 81 Fahrenheit. Oh, there is more in the back. Yeah, I've never been in this area. There's actually like a heat warning in Tokyo, and a lot of elderly are being admitted to the hospital because it's so hot. But let's look around here and see what they have. These socks. This bookstore is really busy. Today is Sunday. Sunday afternoon. It's about 4 o'clock. And there seems to be a lot of people at this bookstore. Alright, so we just left the bookstore. It's nothing really interesting. We're gonna walk this back street here. I saw some people out here, and then I know that there's a mall somewhere here as well. Look at this guy juggling. I don't know if you can see. I think it's just maybe a little kid. No, I think it's an adult. It's pretty good. Alright, it's the back street. Oh, they have Second Street. We're going there. Let's go in there. Okay. Do you know this store? No. It's like they sell like secondhand clothes and things, but oh, I think that's the mall, right? This area is pretty cool. Okay. I always like these Second Street. They always have a lot of cool stuff. If you've watched my other vlogs. Oh, it smells like old clothes. Running cult member. This is Dickies pants. Dickies is really popular in Japan. This is only $5 for this pants, but it's really big. I think that's the style. I don't think this guy was fat or anything. Some watches. They're all in like pretty good condition. Luminex watch. G-Shock watches. A lot of this stuff is like presented really well, and it looks even new. These look new. I mean, they're all secondhand, but the way they display it's pretty good. Yeah, look at this shirt I just found. Where did they even get this shirt? Oh my goodness, it's only $10. Yeah, this is this store, the second. I've been to a lot of these Second Streets, but this one is really organized really well. Here's some of the expensive stuff, the Louis Vuitton. Alright, we just came outside. That place was really nicely organized, but didn't really have a lot of good stuff. But people were just shopping for regular t-shirts. We don't know where to go now, what to attack. I don't know how far this goes. My girlfriend said that this pharmacy sells cheaper goods than the regular pharmacy. I'm gonna go over there. This area is pretty cool. Got a pachinko right outside. Look at these vending machines right into the wall here. They're so thin. What did you say?
Should we go check inside?
Where? To this mall? Oh, the pachinko? No.
Why not?
Wait, is that a mall over there? Osaka West Side Street. Man, look at all these people wearing masks. It's crazy how like that's why they have such low infections here. People are wearing masks even outside. I even seen people wearing masks inside of a car.
They have a code in here.
I've seen people like drive by themselves with the mask on. I don't know why, but oh yeah, let's do that. Let's go to these both places here. Is that it? Oh, there's a book off. That could, oh, and there's a Uniqlo. I think this is like the hub, and then around here there's nothing else. I don't know what this place is. Is it a mall or whoa? It's like a market. The food's fried chicken. Whoa, what is this place? It's like a market, and it feels so old here. It's like 2000, 2003. Oh, Tokyo Hands. Alright, so this is, I don't know if this is like a pop-up store. It looks like it's been here for a while. Or maybe this product is pop-up. Looks like some sort of cake. That looks pretty good. It's like an ice cream cake thing. Ooh, that looks good too. Whoa, that looks good. Man, that looks really good actually. I think I like this lemon cheesecake style pie. Oh, they got the pineapple bread puff. Got some more puff. These look really good. I think these are like a pop-up only for like a limited time. Oh, what's this? Let's see. So this is the place. This is Karino Osaka. Tokyo Hands is over there. And there's also a hotel inside here. Probably like an old hotel. They got some special beer here. I think maybe this is a pop-up shop. Got some organic beer here. It's all Japan-based breweries. Got this grape drink. I think this stuff is all pop-up stuff. You sit there on discounts. Look at this pudding. Hokkaido pudding.
Ooh, we should buy one.
Yeah, I mean I could eat the pudding.
Let's just choose one.
Cookies.
We'll just buy later when we
It's
come back.
rare cheesecake. Is it cheesecake or pudding? It looks like pudding though. Oh, this is what it looks like.
Cheesecake pudding.
Oh wow, this looks pretty good too.
This is small one, big one.
$8, $8. About $8 each. Alright, here's some sort of special bread place. It's probably really good. Alright, we're just gonna walk around this area. It's a really this is a huge Kaldi. We're not gonna go in because we've been to so many Kaldis. Do you want to go here? This place is huge. Yeah. Oh, look at this. This is like got an old. Look at the bread. That looks really good. Oh, they have like rental cars here? Oh, maybe it's parking. And then bubble tea. And then they have hand drip coffee. This is a really cool looking coffee shop here. I just saw this place. It's a massage place called Dr. Stretch. I don't know why, but that makes me laugh. Dr. Stretch. No, I don't. It doesn't work. Oh. These are old Tokyo hands. Got some gachas over here. Let me get a, I don't know what this is, ice grinder for shaved ice. This is the weirdest Tokyo hands I've been to because the layout is like just one big floor and it's kind of old. I think there's 2 floors, but I think the first floor is just all cosmetics. There's some pots and pans. There's more of this store here. Looks like a lot of home goods and cosmetics on that side. Alright, this second floor looks more interesting than the first floor. We got some, I think this is like a smaller Tokyo hands. But they got some stuff here. Alright, I think it's not that exciting here, so we're gonna go upstairs. I think that's it though. This is the second floor and then that's it. There's some people hanging out here. There's some chairs. It's nice because they have like chairs on the side so people can just kind of hang out here. I've seen this store before. They sell like cheaper clothes here. A lot of people shop here. Yeah, it's like a really big store. I've seen these a lot actually. I don't know what the name is. This is huge. On this little area, it's kind of weird, but they got like stairs and then they have like little shop here for kids. Alright, we gotta try one at least. I gotta push everything out. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh. This is the best part of this mall. I like biking, man. I think I can get it. Let's see if this wins. You gotta push it out. Oh.
No.
Are you sure?
You should go more inside.
I know. I was thinking that. Ooh. Oh. No. So we just came up here and they have like this vending machines here. They got like some ice cream. This one looks good. They got some mint chocolate chip. What's this? Oh, this is like banana milk, strawberry milk.
Wow.
What did you get? Just water?
Yeah.
Okay. What else is this? Alright, I'm really curious.
Inside?
I don't know, but I'm really curious to see how this tastes like. So let's do it. Oh my god.
She's an
Alright. Just chew. You don't want to touch anything. Whoa. Give me the milk. It's pretty good. It tastes really artificial, like candy, but it's pretty good.
You want to try the strawberry one too?
Maybe. We'll see. Alright, so we just came out of there. I was recording, but it didn't record. And we came out of that Mr. Donut. But I was just saying this place is really nice to live around, but I guess it's just this little area. But I think that's all they have. This is like the little hub, and then that's it. But we were looking at this place. Really unique looking store here. So we're gonna go take a gander inside real quick. Oh, they have that new Starbucks drink. So everywhere in different prefectures have a different drink. And this is the Osaka drink. It's a mango frappuccino. What is it? Mango? So every prefecture will have a different drink. And this is Osaka's drink. It's a frappuccino. I think it's mango. Alright, I don't think there's anything interesting because it's just a Uniqlo. And they got Anytime Fitness. Alright, Alright, the first and second floors were Uniqlo, and I didn't want to go there, but here's the third floor. It looks like there's some stuff here. There's an ABC Mart. It's a really tiny mall.
Oh.
So this third floor is just shoe store and like a suit store. Let's go upstairs. Alright, so I think the fourth floor is just Seria, the 100 yen shop. I think the whole floor is, oh, it's huge. This goes all the way down. Oh, so I think the top floor is the an English school, Venice. I know about this school, and then there's also like a teeth whitening place. Gotta get out of here now. Whoa. This school is closed. Oh, they are open. Maybe it's over there. Let's get out of here. Oh, there's more. And they got an anytime gym on the top here. Anytime Fitness. Yeah, that was it. It wasn't that really exciting, but I've seen this restaurant. I think they have this right one near our house.
You know, they have everywhere.
Yeah. But I like this little outside. I don't like that it's in the basement. Probably a lot of bugs. Alright, we're just gonna finish it off with this book off here. We're just gonna do it real quick. I think that's it. Alright, we have it's just a bunch of books here. It is book off. Maybe the good stuff's upstairs. Alright, it's the manga stuff. This is where everybody's going. CDs. Where's all the good stuff? Usually they have like this one just only CDs and books. Usually they have like stuff. Like, you know, I don't know.
Secondhand?
Yeah. I think this is it. This is all the stuff they have. Usually they have a lot of this secondhand stuff, but they got some Nintendo games. And they have just this. Have some Switches, 30,000. Alright, I don't know if you guys enjoyed watching that. I was kind of disappointed in a lot of those places, but I think we're gonna head over to Umeda and just hang out there. I mean, I had a lot of fun just being with my girlfriend and just playing around in this area, but I was kind of disappointed. Well, I guess I didn't really have that many expectations, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Look out for future videos, and thank you for watching. Goodbye. Oh, by the way, this book off, usually these book offs has a lot of cool secondhand goods, but this one just only had books and CDs. This is the only book off I've seen that literally just had the books and magazines, not magazines, the mangas. But that was really disappointing as well too. But yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.